Would you trust a business emailing you from davesdesigns87@gmail.com? Probably not. And that could be you right now. That free email address, it screams amateur. Clients skip it, or worse, send it straight to spam. You're losing deals, credibility, and cold hard cash.
Let me show you how to set up a custom domain email step by step. It's simple and affordable.
Step 1, log into your hosting cPanel. This is where all the magic starts. I've made a complete tutorial showing how to get hosting and a domain. You will find the link in the video description below.
Click on Email Accounts. Enter your desired email like info@domainname.com and set your password.
Click on check email and make sure open my inbox when I log in is ticked. Boom, you're in. You can now send and receive emails just like Gmail, but with your own domain name. If this helped, hit subscribe for more tutorials like this.